Hey, what's happening, guys? Good morning. What's cracking, YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning into Rules for Rebels. We got some Amazon merch news for you guys today. This video should be pretty short. Just wanted to keep you guys abreast of Amazon updates and kind of a change that's going on in the UK and German market right now. Bella+Canva is being replaced by Port and Company as the t-shirt brand being used, and I think this is pretty disappointing. It's kind of funny. The past couple weeks or even couple months have been pretty kind of uneventful as far as like news and updates from Amazon. And the past week or two has been pretty eventful. First we had the news about the bulk uploader, which is pretty big. Then more recently, Amazon kind of came out with some clarification about content policies, keyword stuffing, not describing textures on design. So vintage and distressed is okay, but you can't do rose gold, shiny, glittery, glow in the dark, etc. And then today, 4/2, April 2nd, which I'm actually going to be posting this on April 3rd. So yesterday for you guys, we had this new update come down the board, and it reads as this. Port & Company is replacing Bella+Canva as Merch UK and DE standard fit t-shirt brand starting today. The new shirts offer the same high quality. I disagree with that. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about Port & Company. Do you like their shirts? Do you not like their shirts? And in a comparison, would you say they're equal to Bella+Canva? I personally would disagree with that. So the same high quality ring spun fabric as our previous brand, but with improved printability and a more traditional fit to align with your customers' expectations. There will be no cost or royalty change with this upgrade, of course not. New submissions and edits will display outdated product sales images, sizing charts, and key product features. So, for those of you guys who have been in the merch game for a while, when it first started out, the premium t-shirt, or the standard t-shirt I should say, was Anvil, and I actually really liked the Anvil shirts. I thought the Anvil shirts were great quality, and a lot of people thought they fit kind of small. It was definitely more of like a slim fit or a European fit, whatever you want to call it. But I thought they fit really well. I liked that they were kind of styled. They weren't these big boxy t-shirts, so you could actually make stylish or fashionable designs, and it kind of went. Whereas, boxy, just not really fashionable t-shirts are really kind of only good for kind of novelty stuff. You can't really create a line or try to do things that are more fashionable. Eventually the Anvil shirts got replaced by the Port & Company, and I think previous to that, American Apparel, which I love the old American Apparel shirts. American Apparel was the premium t-shirt. Those got replaced by Bella+Canva. And, initially I was a little bit disappointed by that. I was a huge fan of American Eagle. I liked the way they fit. I liked the way the material felt. I liked the colors they were offered in. And I still have some of my old American Apparel shirts. Absolutely loved them. And so when I first changed over to Bella, I was like a little bit disappointed. I've actually really grown to love the Bella+Canva shirts. Bella+Canva is kind of the new American Apparel. If you go to a concert, a lot of the t-shirts that they're selling are Bella+Canva. Anytime I go to like a craft brewery, whether it be Half Acre in Chicago, Revolution Brewing, even Three Floyds down in Munster, Indiana, they always got cool t-shirts at craft breweries, and those shirts always Watermark in Bridgman, Michigan. Those shirts are always Bella+Canva now. So Bella+Canva is kind of the new kind of go-to t-shirt. And I've really grown to love those. I'm not a fan of Port & Company by any means. I don't like how they fit. I feel like they're boxy. I don't like how they feel. My girlfriend's kind of a self-proclaimed t-shirt connoisseur. Anywhere we go, if they have like cool t-shirts, and especially they have to be soft, but if they have soft t-shirts, she's all over them. So she loves Target's t-shirts. Whenever we go down to Charleston, South Carolina and visit my folks, we're always picking up a couple t-shirts there. She's a sucker for soft t-shirts, and she likes them to fit a certain way, and she won't, she loves t-shirts. Whenever I make a new shirt, a lot of times, will you order one of those for me? Will you order one of those for me? And the past couple shirts I've ordered have been Port & Company. Quite frankly, only because I always make t-shirts in basic and premium, and when I was looking at my own listings, I was having a hard time trying to figure out which ones were basic and which ones were premium, and I was too lazy to actually log into my account and find out for sure. So on 2 occasions, I accidentally ordered the standard t-shirts, and she won't even wear them. She was like, send it back to Amazon. I don't want it. So yeah, we're in my household, we're not fans of Port & Company, so this is a little bit disappointing. It does sound like maybe they're trying to up the quality of them. They do kind of mention here, what is it? Something about, but with improved printability and a more traditional fit. So maybe these things will be kind of less boxy and will fit kind of more in a more of a stylish fashion. But nonetheless, I find it hard to believe that the quality is going to be on par with Bella+Canva. And if they are going to give us an inferior product and a cheaper product, it would be cool if maybe the royalties got a little bit better. But as it reads, the royalties are going to remain the same. We're not getting any extra money. So I kind of jokingly put this up here. We're giving you a cheaper and inferior product for your customers, but keeping your royalties the same. Thumbs up. Hope you guys are happy about it. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this. What do you think about Port and Company t-shirts? Do you like them? Do you hate them? And in a side-by-side comparison with Bella+Canva, do you think they're equal quality? Go ahead and drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, as well as your thoughts about this change. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.